Welcome to Next Trains. These are the two types of lubricant oil I use for my locomotives as well as rolling stock. All of my locomotives are DC and not DCC, and these work great on the DC locomotives and the rolling stock. So the first one is the swing machine oil. You can see the very sign of the machine here. I use this as heavy lubricant, and this one is kerosene oil. I prefer diesel oil over kerosene oil usually because of the obvious smell it has, but this one is kerosene oil, as you can see. And the best part is these two are easily available everywhere and are inexpensive rather than those locomotive lubricant oils, and it doesn't make a difference in the performance of locomotives as well as the rolling stock. Just a word of caution, I use this for DC locomotives only and not DCC. Thank you for watching Next Trains. Please share with people who might like, appreciate and enjoy trains. Comment and subscribe.